So my wife got me a new phone stand for Christmas, so I'm gonna use that this morning. It actually stabilizes the phone so it doesn't fall down while I'm trying to set it up and stuff. But just topping up my coffee. Well, the holiday season's finally over. I mean, I don't care about New Year's. New Year's is New Year's. I don't do anything anyway, and neither does she. But the dreaded Christmas holiday is over, which I'm happy about. Like I said, I'm not a Christmas kind of guy. But that's fine. Lots of people love it. Have at her. Doesn't bother me. When it's over, I'm happy. So, cheers. I got my coffee. Look at that. And we'll bring you in here to my office where I will share another word study for you. Set you up on this stand. Hopefully this works pretty good. It's just one of those dollar store stands, but it works perfect. Good enough. Let's see if that works. There we go. And then I can actually pick the stand up. Sorry for the wobbling, but yeah, I can pick the stand up and move it around. And there you go. All right. This is the word. Well-pleasing. And I said, wow, there's like two words, but it's really good. There's a few scripture, and they're well-pleasing. Well-pleasing to share. All right. So you saw the Greek. The concordant scripture, Romans 14:18. For he who in this is slaving for Christ is well-pleasing to God and attested by men. Romans 12:1 and 2. I am entreating you then, brethren, by the pities of God, to present your bodies a sacrifice, living, holy, well-pleasing to God, your logical divine service, and not to be configured to this eon, but to be transformed by the renewing of your mind, for you to be testing what is the will of God, good and well-pleasing and perfect. I love that passage. 2 Corinthians 5:9. Wherefore we are ambitious also, whether at home or away from home, to be well-pleasing to him. And this is your whole day, to be well-pleasing to God, no matter what. And we are, as believers, no matter what we are doing, saying, thinking, doesn't matter. We are directed toward God as believers, no matter what, in everything. This is a 24/7 thing. Through all the good, bad, and ugly, like I always say, we're directed toward God because we are believers. We've been called to be toward God, not toward the world, not configured to this eon, not part of this big whole join-in type of thing here. We're not. We never were and never will be. Colossians 3:20. Children, obey your parents in all things, for this is well-pleasing in the Lord. Titus 2:9. Slaves are to be subject to their own owners, to be well-pleasing in all things, not contradicting. And the final one here, Ephesians 5:10. Testing what is well-pleasing in the Lord.